is Anya, and today I really want to make some coconut flour brownies. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, combine a quarter cup of melted coconut oil, 2 eggs, a third cup of honey, a quarter cup of unsweetened almond milk, and 2 teaspoons vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. In a bowl, combine a quarter cup of coconut flour, a half a teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Add in the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Add in 3 ounces of chopped up chocolate and mix until well combined. Pour the mixture into a lined baking tray. And sprinkle some more chocolate on top. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 22 minutes. Cut into squares and enjoy.